Travel agencies have emerged in this rapidly growing industry. They not only create journeys of beauty for the rest of the world, but also make travel easier for both the adventurous and those looking to explore. Travel agencies are regarded as one of the brightest industries expected to propel our country forward. It has the greatest potential to be both entertaining and profitable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Puhunan Power Podcast. We walk the talk, giving people hope amidst trying times with small actions yet powerful impact. This is your host, Julia, aka Ang Pinay, #Pusong Entrep.
Sa totoo lang, yung business na to, yung nagsisimula nito, kapatid ko talaga may-ari nito. Siya talaga yung may hilig sa gym. Hilig niya lang talaga kasi ito talaga yung ano niya. Mahilig siya sa mga... nung una po nitong tinayo yung gym na to, sobrang hirap niya kasi yung mga gamit pa, mga kulang, hindi nasa marami lahat, mga
Agency owners can achieve their objectives by researching the market, registering their businesses, developing relationships digitally and traditionally marketing, and staying current on trends. Generally, with the proper planning and execution, Philippine travel agencies can provide unique travel experiences. Join us today as we discover the world of travel. When you start exploring new places, you gain a better understanding of the local people, their culture and stories, history and background. Moreover, you get to experience their food and immerse yourself in activities different than the ones you know.
Gusto mong magnegosyo, pero wala kang pera? Wala kang puhunan? Meron kaming sagot dyan. Kung ano ba ang iyong mga plano o idea tungkol sa inyong negosyo. At pwede kang manalo ng 100,000 piso! Ang dali lang, di ba? Pero teka, wala kang babayaran dito. Libre to! Kaya, join na!
Traveling allows us to break free from our daily routine and be exposed to other cultures, languages, and ways of living. Tour agencies make all these accessible to more people through travel packages that encourage tourists to connect with their destination on a deeper level, as opposed to simply going to tourist spots. When you're exploring a new country or places, you'll learn to be more open, understanding, and empathetic towards our differences. Your perspective of the world changes when you're experiencing and seeing these differences personally. Being thrown outside our comfort zones, we're encouraged to be kinder and more accepting of people from different backgrounds.
Mas pinalaki po yung pang-premium nila na gusto nyo pwede nyo mapanalunan dahil 100K na pwede nyo panalunan sa Pusong Entrep, Puhunan Power. Sa hashtag Pusong Entrep, mas pinalaki na 100,000 pesos na, kaya sali na.
You can join our discussion by commenting below. Kung ano man yung katanungan na relevant sa ating usapan ngayon ay pipilitin namin sagutin para sa inyo. Kaya't huwag na natin patagalin pa. The business of travel agency has witnessed a buoyant growth in the recent years. The upbeat sector provides enormous income and employment opportunities and offers complete travel solution to the new age travelers. In this modern time where the travel industry is on the peak of businesses which contribute to the boost for the economies of the world's GDP, it is also stated in the report that this industry generated a huge percentage of all worldwide economic activity. In the wake of pursuing the reality, you more likely than not know how quickly this industry is expanding its perspective. Along these lines, the quicker it develops, the more competitors it has. Hence, the more difficulties will be for you to manage on the off chance that you need to run and support your travel businesses in such serious circumstances alongside competitors. This afternoon, join us as we unravel the pros and cons of establishing this travel agency, as well as a tremendous contribution of this industry in our economic growth. At syempre, dadaan din natin ang katangi-tangian kahalagahan ng Philippine tourism industry. Panoorin natin ang unang bahagi ng aming panayam kay Miss Rosario Soreda, ang owner ng Kasar Travel and Tours mula sa maunlad na syudad ng Bacoor, Cavite.
Malayo ang course ko talaga sa industry na to. I was in management. I graduated in management. So what I did is, una, nag-apply ako as a travel agent. But then, I was not lucky enough na matanggap. So, nag-training ako under DTI, yung mga training center ng government. I took 5 days training. And then training for GDS or for the airlines. For the marketing, I started with Facebook actually, but then again, the usual face-to-face, yun ang mas madalas. Okay, so first I have an office, so meron akong opisina. Then, I make sure na lahat ng government, mga kailangan naming requirements from the government are met, like the DOT, and then Tourism Promotions Board, and other association na required para makapagpatakbo ka ng maayos ng travel agency. We are member of that. Also, of course, important na meron kang mga maaasahang empleyado para smooth lahat ng transactions mo with our clients. Sa ngayon, I have 3 na full-time, and then yon, meron akong mga part-time na sales. Well, it's a mixture of online marketing and personal sales or sales call. So I noticed, yes, sa social media you can get notice, but at the end of the day, closing big projects still require traditional marketing, which is usually face-to-face. Of course, mahal na mahal ko ang Pilipinas. So my first talaga, yan yung vision ko. That's why I'm very active in promoting the Philippines. I'm always active in supporting the projects of the Department of Tourism, Tourism Promotions Board. Kasi yun talaga yung mission ko, na to promote the beautiful islands of the Philippines. Bago ang ibang bansa na ipopromote ko ng todo, Pilipinas muna. Because as I traveled extensively, nakita ko ang ganda-ganda pala ng bansa natin. We have to be very proud of our country. Minsan, hindi natin yun napapansin hanggat hindi pa tayo lumalabas ng bansa, hanggat hindi natin nakikita na, wow, ang ganda pala ng Pilipinas. Parang pakiramdam natin, mas maganda sa ibang bansa. But when we go outside, tapos makita natin how it is, then pagbalik natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng parang panibagong appreciation sa kung saan tayo isinilang. And then of course, na ang vision ko na kailangan makapag-provide ako ng quality travel sa mga kliyente. Hassle-free. Kaya sila kumuha ng travel agency para hindi sila ma-stress. Makapag-travel sila nang wala silang iniisip na pagdating doon, mai-stress sila, gumastos na nga sila, stress pa sila. Of course, yun yung number one vision ng aking company. Someday, we will be known as a travel agency who can help you see the world na maganda ang experience. Of course, unang-una, maging isa sa mga biggest na inbound tour operator. I want someday ang tourism industry natin makapareho, kung hindi man lang makalagpas sa tourism industry ng Thailand and other neighbors na sa totoo lang mas mataas ang influx ng tourism. So yun talaga yung pangarap ko na someday nasa mapa din tayo na isa tayo sa pinakamagandang destinasyon sa Asia. Huwag kang susuko. Always there will be challenges, especially with the advent of social media, with the advent of AI. So, AI is not, what do you call that? AI is not our competitor. In fact, the social media, the technology, it should be our aid to create a seamless approach on our business. Hindi sila kalaban. In fact, we have to embrace them if we want to stay in this industry for long. Sa dami-dami kasi ng mga scammers ngayon, ang masasabi ko lang is we are not one of them. And of course, I have clients na since pa ng pagsisimula ng company ko is with me already. So that means sa dinami-dami ng lumalabas na travel agency, ang loyalty nila is nakikip ko. So, ibig sabihin nun, meron akong serbisyo na hindi nila makita sa iba. So, I have this personal approach kung paano, alam mo yon, yung parang sobrang alaga na pag nandun sila, talagang I don't fail to kumustahin, kumusta po yung ano ninyo, okay ho ba yung hotel and everything. I make sure na talagang they will feel they have been taken care of. So, na talagang sulit yung pagkuha nila sa travel agency, hindi yung nag-online lang sila. Makikita nila yung different approach when you are talking to an actual travel agent than just the online travel agency.
Gusto mong magnegosyo, pero wala kang pera? Wala kang puhunan? Meron kaming sagot dyan. Kung ano ba ang iyong mga plano o idea tungkol sa inyong negosyo. At pwede kang manalo ng 100,000 piso! Ang dali lang, di ba? Pero teka, wala kang babayaran dito. Libre to! Kaya, join na!
Star Travel and Tours was a duly registered and licensed travel agency established on March 17, 2017. It covers the whole range of travel services and all documentation assistance related to travel. Travel agencies are regarded as one of the brightest industries expected to propel our country forward. It has the greatest potential to be both entertaining and profitable. Now, bago tayo magpatuloy sa mga kaalaman at kwentong travel and trip, let us pause for a very short break.
Good afternoon mga ka-Power Puhunan! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa bayan ng Maragondon. So ngayon, malalaman po natin ang first winner ng #Pusong Entrep. Samahan nyo kami! Tara! So good afternoon everyone. So our first winner for #Pusong Entrep is Miss Evelyn Tabuhara from Maragondon, Cavite. Alright, so Miss, how would you feel? How does it feel knowing that you have won our first #Pusong Entrep?
Maligaya po ako kasi matutupad na po yung mga pangarap ko tsaka para po sa pamilya ko. Sa mga lahat po ng sumuporters sa akin, maraming salamat po sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, tsaka sa mga kasamahan ko po dati sa trabaho. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko po ito matatanggap kung hindi po Sa tulong niyo po, salamat po. Una ko pong pagsali, hinimok po ako nila sir sa aking pagsali dito sa entrepreneur na ito. Tapos po, pumayag na rin po ako nung una po, ayoko pa. Pero nung nag-ano po, naikwento ko na po yung buhay ko. Tapos po, hanggang sa sumali na po ako sa programang ito, hanggang sa napanalunan ko nga po ito. Ako po nagpapasalamat at matutupad ko na po lahat ang aking mga pangarap at gagamitin ko po itong puhunan para mapalago ko po ang aking hanap buhay. Sa iba pong katulad kong mga naghahanap buhay, sumali po kayo dito sa programang ito. Ito po para sa atin at sa kabubuhay ng ating pamilya, tayo po ay matutulungan nito sa ating pong paghahanap buhay. Tandaan niyo po, pag may hashtag pusong entrep ka, may puhunan power ka, panalo ka, sali na!
Talino bonding moment muna tayo. Ang unang trivia, mga ka-power puhunan ay, if Saudi Arabia is the only country with no river, which country has the most number of lakes? All right, so you can now go ahead and comment your answers down below. A huge 9% of this country's surfaces are lakes, making it the country with the most lakes in the world. As a result, this became a popular destination to visit for tourists looking for lake holidays, both inbound and domestic. But before that, do we have any shout-outs? But shout-outs as well po to all our overseas Filipino workers in the Middle East, USA, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, Denmark, and the UK na patuloy po sa panunood sa amin. So our first short shout out is to Amber Cruz family, Kyle Cruz, Dina Domingo, Tanya Colin, hello po, and Lala Oknik. Okay, hello po. Thank you so much for joining. Whether you have an established agency or are starting a new tour business, our goal is to provide you with actionable insights that you can implement today to see results tomorrow. Hangad namin na makapagbigay ng kaalaman at value para maghatid sa inyo sa dulo ng tagumpay. Balik naman tayo sa exciting discussion with Kusar Travel and Tours.
Okay, so actually, yung scams na yan, it's not only for travel agents. It's also for tour operators. So, ibig sabihin, especially pag nag-outbound ka, which is the usual go-to ng mga nagsisimula pa lang. Ingat ka din kasi baka pakatapos mong magbayad ng binayad ng kliyente mo, pagdating ng kliyente mo is walang accommodations, walang tours and everything. And of course, money is, as an entrepreneur naman, yun yung ultimate goal natin is to earn. But it should not be your prime concern. Para lumaki ka sa negosyo, actually, it's not only for travel agency. You really have to have malasakit na hindi lang dahil gusto mo lang kumita, kundi you have to have this thought na dapat magtagal ako sa industry. Hindi siya yung tipong, kikita ako ngayon, but tomorrow baka hindi ko na yung kliyente dahil hindi sila natuwa. So, it's not only for travel agency. I think it applies to all entrepreneur. Lagi mong iisipin your character, your integrity. So, hindi pwedeng pera lang ang driving force mo. You have to have something na higher than the monetary gain ng iyong negosyo. Yun, actually, ang ROI for travel agencies, hindi siya ganun, usually 1 year. Pero kung masipag ka talaga sa marketing, in less than a year, kaya mo nang mag-ROI. But dahil nga ngayon, napakarami ng competition, so you have to excel. You have to offer something that other, especially the online travel agencies, OTAs, you have something to offer na wala sa kanila. You always have to innovate. Whether yung services mo, yung packages mo, yung brand of marketing mo, always innovate. Ang masasabi ko lang sa kanila, I don't know how they do it, but of course, source of income nila yun. Pero isa lang, ang isang institusyon, ang isang company na may pinapangalaga ang pangalan, gagawin niya ng lahat para hindi sila masira. Like, for me, ilang taon na yung aking company. So, kung ang pinag-uusapan lang dyan ay maliit na pera, I would rather na kahit na mawalan ako ng ganung pera to satisfy my guest, kesa kesa i-go ko yung isang bagay na ikakasira ng company ko. Marami talaga ngayon ang mga, alam mo yon, online travel agencies, scammers. Actually, not all of them are scammers. Tipong, kagaya nga niya, nagpunta lang siya kunyari ng Japan, nakita niya ang itsura ng Japan, ay pwede pala ako mag-offer nito. Ganito lang pala. But the thing is, ang difference kasi ng isang company na talagang have been in there for a long time, they know more kisa doon sa bago pa lang nasalta. And most of the time, those people, dahil nga wala naman silang kumpanyang pinangangalagaan, of course, there are things na nangyayari sa travel na maraming unforeseen circumstances. So, let's say for example, may mga cancellations. How are they going to address that or do something about that? Example, sa war for Holy Land. Let's say for example, for Holy Land. Kung ang gumawa niyan is someone na nagti-TikTok lang, have been there and wanted to earn from it, how is she going to return the money? How is she going to help his or her clients na hindi pa niya alam kung ano talaga ang nitty-gritty ng industry na to? So, kahit saan na actually, it's not only for travel agencies. You always trust the people na talagang may pangalan. You always trust the people who are there, who have been there longer than these newcomers. Sa ngayon, ang still Palawan ang malakas. Boracay is locals, international, but mostly kasi pag mga foreigners, mahilig sila Palawan. Siargao is getting popularity, and of course Cebu. Cebu is an all-time favorite. Okay, so Quasar Travel and Tours, we have a lot of offerings. We have international, local. We're also big operator for local tours, especially diving. So, kung sino sa inyo ang interesado sa diving, we are offering that. And also golf packages. It's one of our actually newest package na available. So, kung gusto mo mag-golf sa Davao, gusto mo mag-golf ng Cebu, we can arrange that. Even if you don't have, you don't have to have membership para makapag-golf doon. And of course, diving. Kung sino man ang interested to diving, and worldwide packages, we have that. We can arrange group and also for FITs. You can check our latest offering in our Facebook. It's Quasar Travel and Tours. And also our website, quasartravelandtours.ph. And also you can contact us at our phone number 0927-744-2321. Email at quasartravelandtours8@gmail.com.
Gusto mong magnegosyo, pero wala kang pera? Wala kang puhunan? Meron kaming sagot dyan. Kung ano ba ang iyong mga plano o idea tungkol sa inyong negosyo. At pwede kang manalo ng 100,000 piso! Ang dali lang, di ba? Pero teka, wala kang babayaran dito. Libre to! Kaya, join na!
So from the moment your customers book their trip until they return home, strive to make their travel experience memorable. Be responsive to their needs and concerns, provide clear and timely communication, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. For our trivia number 2, it is famous for being the place where the world's largest pearl was discovered. This pearl is weighing 34 kilograms and today is valued at $100 million. Okay, so you can comment down your answers below. And then do we have another shout outs for today? Okay, shout out po kay si Dairy, hello po. Ann Lim, Duel Sapara, Kit Kat, hello po. Hailey, gandang lambag, hello po. Dion Z, hello po. Lorna Tapia, hello. Caleb Visca, Akim Tapia, Miguel Chu, Ella Tapia, hello po. Dory Chan, Hannah Savanco, Michael Hagonoy, Eliza Cruz, hello po. Nathan Santos, Elvis Smith, hello po. Ivel Kayubiyab Kapulay, hello po. So, the tourism industry is well recognized by the government as an important contributor to the generation of foreign exchange, investments, revenue, and employment, and to the growth of the country's economic output. The inclusion of tourism as a major pillar of Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028 has given priority to tourism sectors by promoting the Philippines as a premier tourist destination and investment site. If developed in a sustainable manner, indeed, it can be a powerful economic growth engine for the country. It deserves to be a top priority for national development due to the following reasons. The first reason is it is a powerful and efficient industry. Second, its impact on social development, broad and deep. The third is it creates strong peripheral benefits. The fourth is the Philippines can compete and win. And lastly, it helps maintain cultural integrity, essential ecological process, biological diversity, and life support system. At ito naman ang huling trivia sa araw na ito. This aircraft model can hold enough fuel to power a car around the planet 4 times. So comment down your answers below and then later or maya-maya lang ay matatanggap nyo rin ang aming papremyo. We will also announce the 3 trivia winners at ang tamang sagot bago po matapos ang ating live podcast. So before that, do we have our last shout-outs? Or just... Okay, so we have Eliza Hambole. Hello po. Okay, so learning from successful travel and tour businesses. One of the best ways to unlock success in your travel and tour business is to learn from those who have already found it. By studying the strategies and tactics of successful tour operators, you can gain valuable insights into what works and refine your own approach accordingly. It's important to note that failures can also provide an important lessons for your travel and tour businesses. Analyzing the missteps of others can help you avoid making the same mistakes and develop a more effective approach to running your business. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. By Winston Churchill. When studying successful travel and tour businesses, you have to consider the following. The first one would be what sets them apart. Look for what makes successful tour operators unique and how they differentiate themselves from their competitors. Is it their unique approach to the customer services, the exceptional quality of their tours and experiences, their innovative marketing strategies? Identifying what sets them apart can help you create a unique selling proposition for your own business. The second would be, how do you market, or how do they market their business? Take note that marketing strategies used by successful tour operators, how they attract new customers and retain existing ones. Are they leveraging social media or other digital marketing tactics? Do they rely heavily on the word of mouth or other digital marketing? Understanding their marketing approach can help you develop effective strategies for your own businesses. What are the most popular tours and packages? The third one would be study the most successful tours and packages offered by other travel and tour businesses. What makes them so popular? Can you adapt to the offerings for their own niche and market? Remember, while it is important to learn from successful tour operators, it's equally important to forge your own path and develop a unique approach tailored to your business and target market. Knowledge and information is power. Without these, actions is futile. The travel is inspirational and experimental. The extraordinary moments that you make on vacations can open your mind to new possibilities, create unforgettable memories, immerse yourself in new experiences, and change your outlook on the world. Sa mga excited kong kapuhunan power, i-reveal naman natin ang sagot sa trivia at ito ang draw natin at bubunutin ang mga palad na katalino bonding sa araw na ito. Alright, so for our trivia number 1, the correct answer is Canada. Okay, so we will now go ahead and see who is our trivia winner for trivia number 1. So for our trivia number 1, we have Eliza Cruz. Congratulations! Okay, so for our trivia number 2, the correct answer is Palawan, Philippines. Okay, so for our trivia number 2, our lucky winner would be... Okay, so our lucky winner is Tanya Collin. Congratulations! Okay, so for our trivia number 3, which is the correct answer is Boeing 747. Okay, so let us see who is our trivia number 3. All right, so our third trivia goes to Daisy Domingo. Congratulations! Alright, so simula sa batch 3 na covered nitong 3rd week ng June hanggang sa mga susunod pa na buwan na aming magbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mga ating ka-hashtag pusong entrep ng power puhunan na mas pinalaki. 100,000 pesos is now at stake para sa mananalong entrepreneur. Pinalaking pag-asa, pinalaking pagkakataon at pinalaking puhunan para sa inyo.
How to join? Here's how. Step 1. Visit the official website www.mrmpopc.org of Mary Rose Media Production OPC to review the complete mechanics. Step 2. Make a 1 to 2 minute video, then message us directly on Facebook at MRMPOPC for details on how to upload your video. Step 3. Once submitted, wait for the link that we'll send so you can share it to your friends and families.
The The great aim of knowledge and education is putting things into action. Thank you for joining us today. Kita-kits po tayo sa susunod namin mga episodes. And if you think we have provided value to you, your business, please share this video with your friends and families. Once again, this is Julia ng Puhunan Power, aka ang Pinay #Pusong Entrep. Pag may puhunan ka, may power ka.